again from Costa Rica. It's nighttime here in Central America, and boy, is it a hot one. I had a conversation yesterday with someone about cell phones and what the deal is with cell phones when you're coming from another country into Costa Rica, whether you're coming here to live or whether you're just coming for a vacation. And I actually had some answers on this one, so I'll get into that in just a few minutes. Stick with me, it's coming right up. Yesterday, someone in one of the communities that I network in online asked a question about cell phones. She's thinking about moving to Costa Rica sometime this year, and she wanted to know, well, can you bring your same cell phone that you use in the U.S. or other North American countries? What do? Do you just get a SIM card when you get to Costa Rica? Do you get a prepaid plan? Do you get a regular type of plan? Do you keep your same phone number? Well, this is a question that I had some answers for. Now, I want to say that this may not be blanket answers. It may not be the same with every carrier, every U.S. cell phone or Canadian cell phone or European cell phone. This is a general kind of expected thing that I've seen here in Costa Rica with cell phones. It's really simple. Yes, we kept our cell phone. I had an iPhone. Michelle had a Huawei Mate something from Europe. We just bought SIM cards. You can take your passport into a store. The little storefronts are all over the place that sell. There's three main companies here in Costa Rica. There's Movistar, Claro, Colby. There may be others, but those are the three that you see the most. That's where most of your advertising is. You get to the airport, and the first thing you see when you land in San Jose are these big red signs, Claro, Claro, Claro. That's cell phone service, and in the airport's advertising. So it's a very widespread thing. Movistar, it's supposed to work in Mexico and North America and maybe even Europe. They're supposed to have a lot of coverage. I know mine works. My Movistar card works when I go to the U.S. I roam on T-Mobile or something like that, so it works. If you want to keep your U.S. number or your Canadian number, I think it's the same for the U.S. and Canada. Everybody, please do your own research. Check this out. But my experience has been I have a Costa Rica number for Costa Rica, and I have a U.S. number for the U.S. The U.S. number I get through Text Now, which is a wireless-based plan that you hit Wi-Fi. You don't get regular cell coverage with that, but you can make phone calls to any number in the U.S. or Canada with that service as long as you have Wi-Fi, and you're going to need it. If you want to, make contact with anyone there in the U.S., you're definitely going to need that. I have a Costa Rica number and a Costa Rica SIM card. I don't change that SIM card when I go to the U.S. But you can always keep your U.S. SIM card and change it. But just it's just easy to just keep the SIM card. And all Michelle needed when he went in was his passport. They gave him the SIM card. They had different phone numbers written on him. He got to choose his phone number. Very simple, very basic process. He just switched the SIM card out, and voila, we had a Costa Rican number. Now, one thing that's pretty important and that everybody is going to need to know. There's a bird behind me doing something strange, but okay. In Costa Rica, everybody, including businesses, use WhatsApp. You're going to need to look into WhatsApp, get the app downloaded on your phone. WhatsApp is used, it's just a universal thing here, and you're going to need that if you move to Costa Rica. Other than that, there isn't much to tell you about cell phones other than the coverage is pretty good here. It's better here in Costa Rica than it was in Appalachia, where I lived for 10 years in the U.S. There were dead spots after dead spots after dead spots there, and there are dead spots here in Costa Rica, but it's going to be in very remote places. I hope that helps. As for me, I'm going to go find a cool place in front of a fan to sit down and get some air flowing, because it is definitely subtropical in the tropics tonight. Until next time, pura vida. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of our journey here in Costa Rica, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when we upload new content. By all means, talk to us in the comments. We love hearing from you.